It's a Jeep. Oh my god. Oh, that doesn't mean it's not. Doesn't mean it's not fucking annoying. Oh, really, Michael? Really? How the fuck did you manage that? Give me something. You fucking kidding.
Oh my god.
That's why I said just roll. Oh my god. I hate you so much. Really, cunt? You just blew the fucking car up. Oh, oh my god.
You're gonna do it.
Really?
Do it.
Really? Oh my god. Fuck me, really?
No, we're in the zones.
Yeah, Ginger.
Let me jump.
Really?
What the fuck?
How are you popping a wheelie in a boat? Fuck. You're gonna flip it, it's going back further. I'm just gonna print screen this.
That looks ridiculous. Oh my god! It sure fucking is. It's like one of those super speed ones that they have, and eventually they get too fast and just flip the fuck over.